This video will show you how to install and set up the Hyrel Clench valve or pinch valve assembly, which is used to immediately stop the flow of material from any of our reservoir-based heads. Here we see the final setup. Let's take it apart to see the details. First, we'll detach the clamping mechanism itself. Loosen the dovetail clamp, slide the mechanism forward, and rotate to detach the lure fitting connector. Then lift the entire accessory off the printer. Let's remove the end cap to expose the actual valve and the tubing with lure connectors on each end. This cap effectively immobilizes the lower fitting. Here we'll remove the tubing. To reload the tubing, stretch it somewhat so that it slides in easier. Then adjust the position of the tubing. Replace the end cap and tighten the screws. If you are also using one of our LED arrays, this extra connector will allow you to mount it normally. There is also a place to connect the wires for the array so that it's synchronized with the extrusion moves. Load the mounting portion to the right of your SDS or other reservoir-based head. Counter-rotate the lure fitting before attaching it to keep it snug, and then slide the valve into the dovetail clamp and tighten the adjustment screw. Remember, you can mount this more forward or backward to match your primary head's position. You can also adjust the valve left or right by opening the valve clamp and sliding it sideways, then tightening the clamp. You can also adjust up or down with these positioning screws. This allows for a fully customizable positioning. Remember that we need to connect wires to the primary head to synchronize the opening and closing of the valve with the extrusion moves. Here we are connecting the second set of wires for the UV array and tucking the excess wiring out of the way. If you have any questions about any of our Hyrel equipment, please email us, hyrel3d@gmail.com, or call us at 404-914-1748.